everyone, today I'm going to mukbang or cook Sangopsal, Korean style barbecue by myself. So look at us, so yummy guys, very healthy. I made like a pork belly. You can make also marinated chicken and also beef if you want to, but I have no available because it's frozen, so just pork belly which like available. Guys, magsanggup-sag tayo guys, no? Today we're making sanggupsal. Ayan. We have to grill the pork belly mix. And I have lettuce there. And we have to fry it until it turns brown. Grilled samgyeopsal. We need to turn, guys, now. Okay, it's turned down. So we didn't put oil because it's already oil, huh? We have to put the garlic while cooking. While cooking, guys, we need to slice the garlic onion. So we need to turn until it turns brown. Right? We need to turn again. So once this is look like ready, after the turn brown is gonna be finished the product. So please subscribe, likes, and share my video or subscribe. Thank you. Happy New Year to all. So almost. So we need to take care of it, guys. No, this is ready already. As you can see. So it's sanggupsal. So we have to put a paper towel so we can drain the oil. But we have to cut that small size. And then we have to add more. I don't put the oil, guys, but you know, it's oil also. I took away the oil because it's too much oil. So because the pork belly, guys, is currently have oil, so I took the oil. So let them fry until get brown. So we're going to turn. Looks like ready. So this is the way. If you have a chicken or beef, you can do the beef like marinated with a bulgogi or something like that. You can do it, but today I did the pork because I have no available. We have but still frozen, so this is what I will show you how the process for Sangopsal. So subscribe, like, please, leave comment and share. Thank you all to all my subscribers. The food is ready to serve. So these are the Sangopsal. Thank you. It's done now, so we proceed to the next. It's now. We have to cut this. Cuts the small size, no? There, because it's like very big. So you have to cut it. Hello, Happy New Year. Let's eat Sangopsal. Hello guys. So we have to eat Sangopsal, guys. First you have to do it. And this is non-alcoholic, guys. So we need to get rice. First, rice. Hello everyone, this is the Sangopsal. If you have chicken or beef marinated, you can put the grilled beef, but I have a pork belly. And this is the lettuce and fresh garlic and tomato paste. This, I don't know what to call that, this is the Korean product. And also onions. So you have to put that together when you eat. So now we're waiting our rice. So again, we have to put the meat there and some garlic and some onions and also rice. You have to put rice. That is a Sangopsal, and of course the tomato paste or fish sauce or beans grind or say. So you can pull this together. Sorry. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, likes, and share. Okay? Thank you for watching.